If this government will work is a question one should ask in a couple of months from now, and then again in 1 or 2 years. There is also another unknown variable. In 2027, the ANC has its next Electoral Congress. And it would not be the first time since South African democracy that the ANC uses the Electoral Congress to replace the ANC president and thereby also replace the head of state. That's what happened before. And it is one of the unknown variables to which extent Cyril Ramaphosa is able to really follow up on the necessary cleansing process inside the ANC, getting rid of the most corrupt elements, which he and those who support him have not managed in the last legislative period, which was a contributing factor to the decline of votes and trust, and to which extent Ramaphosa is able to consolidate his own party internal power base. What might help is that polls prior to the election showed very clearly that Ramaphosa is more popular than the ANC. So an ANC without Ramaphosa might risk to lose even more votes.